A recent survey by American Society of Engineering Education tells students are not prepared for industry demands in two main areas: artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. We know like AI and IoT in our daily life. For example, virtual assistant, Alexa, smartwatch, smart thermostat. Now we even have this ChatGPT to help us write essays. So it's important for students to learn some basic concepts about AI and IoT. I have all kinds of engineering majors in my class, from electrical, mechanical, aerospace, and chemical engineering. All those disciplines will need AI, and Introduction to Engineering is a perfect class to start.
Yeah, so the course it's an introduction to engineering. The point of it is to bring freshmen into ASU and give them a broad spectrum of experiences.
In my perspective, it was just an entry-level shotgun blast of like, this is a bunch of engineering topics.
I must find the exercises that strike a balance. They must be challenging enough to keep students engaged. At the same time, they cannot be too difficult to get them discouraged, especially when the exercises are not directly related to their majors. So I came across a MATLAB workshop that fits my need perfectly.
I knew nothing about programming before that.
They took 2 additional lectures on MATLAB for this.
Dr. Wang prepared a script that students could make small modifications to. We walked through it with them in class and they got to run it.
There are 3 exercises. The first, student will use a pre-trained deep learning model to classify objects taken by their laptop camera.
We used the camera, we pointed it at something, and then the AI guessed what it was. It wasn't accurate all of the time.
And let them experience firsthand that AI can make mistakes too. We then discussed why objects were classified wrong. The second exercise is send the classification labels to a Massword Cloud IoT server. The third exercise will retrieve those labels for visualization purposes.
I think anytime that you get to play with something and test it out yourself, and it's like a really hands-on learning experience, you're always going to retain it better.
I thought it was awesome because we covered a bunch of stuff really quickly, and I felt like I learned tons.
I'm just a curious person. I want to know how things work around me. I talk to Alexa every day, and I want to know how they interpret my commands, how they get the answer for me, and I want to teach the basics to students as well.